If you're new to my channel, my name is Jess. I share fashion, beauty, and motherhood lifestyle content. So if you love that kind of stuff, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. And if you love today's video, please feel free to hit that like button. So I have been doing some jewelry shopping for fall and winter, and mostly to refresh my jewelry collection with more timeless pieces and kind of create my capsule jewelry collection. I'm getting older now, and my taste in jewelry has changed. I don't go for more of those trendier pieces. I want more classic, simple pieces, things I can wear with multiple outfits and for different occasions. And Luisa jewelry stood out to me. With my lifestyle, I often keep jewelry on through showers and pretty much through the night and every day. So I wanted pieces that are strong and that are tarnish free. That's why I chose this brand to pick pieces from to help me create my capsule jewelry collection. Luisa is also having a big sale for their birthday where you can save up to 30% off. I will have all the details of the sale down below, and of course link all the pieces for you that I'm trying on and reviewing today. So let's begin with the unboxing. It came in this cute little dainty box, and I picked out 3 pieces from them. I'm not sure which one is in each, so we're just going to open it up. I did pick out 2 necklaces and a pair of earrings because those are the 2 main pieces that I wear every day. So this is the first piece. So these are the mini Abbey hoop earrings. I love my gold hoops, but they have to be nice and dainty. I don't like it too big because my earlobes are pretty sensitive, and when it gets too heavy, they can get weighed down. And I don't have any jewelry on right now because we're doing this, and I figured we'd also try it on together. Let's try these on. I love how rounded these earrings are, so it almost looks like you're just wearing a cute gold ball, not just like a regular stud. It's an actual like hoop earring, so it's so unique compared to other gold hoops I've seen online. Okay, that is so pretty, it's so gorgeous. Stands out, but it's simple and dainty. I love this kind of simplicity where it makes a statement, but it's not too loud. And these feel nice and light, so I know it's not going to weigh down my earlobes. It's quite easy to put on too. We'll do these next 2 pieces. This is so pretty. So this is the pebble necklace. So I love, like I said before, I love dainty jewelry, but I love it when it also makes a statement and stands out. So I picked up this one. I love how dainty the chain is. Very simple and sleek. But then the pendant is just like so pretty. There's like no pattern on it, no embellishment or anything like that, just super simple, and I love the shape of it. It's not like too teardroppy, if that makes sense. So pretty. Like, I just feel like it made this simple outfit so much better, and this would be really cute with like some chunky sweaters for fall or some blouses for fall as well. Okay, the last piece, a chain. So the last piece is more of a statement, but it's also simple at the same time. It's like this chain diamond piece. Not sure if you can see there. So pretty. And this is called the Lorraine necklace. I am going to see what it looks like layered together. I didn't get these 2 with the intention of layering it together, but for the sake of the try on, I'm going to do it together. Also love that the necklaces have these different adjustment hoops, so you can wear it at different lengths. Because some jewelry brands, you have to buy it at a certain length and it doesn't give you the option to adjust it. So I love that these pieces have this option. But oh my gosh, I love these pieces. They're so gorgeous. The quality feels amazing. This pendant also feels heavy, but it's not too heavy where it's going to feel annoying or anything like that. So gorgeous. I'm really obsessed with these earrings. I just love the style. It's so unique how it looks like a little gold ball. So if you are looking to create a jewelry capsule collection like me, definitely check out Anna Louise, especially right now with their birthday sale going on. I believe if you buy 2 pieces, you get 20% off, 3 pieces, 25% off, and then 4 or more, you get 30% off. And you can use code SAVEMORE. I will have everything in the description below, the links to everything as well, if you want to check it out. Another thing that I love about their jewelry is that most of their pieces start at $39, so it's really affordable and accessible. and they have a 2-year warranty with all their pieces. So I love that they don't just leave you hanging. Really want to help you maintain your jewelry collection. But if you liked today's video, please feel free to hit that like button, and if you don't want to miss another video, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.